Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a name for group chat on iPhone. So the first thing you'll need to do is open the message app. Once you have opened the message app, you want to tap on the group that you have created. And by the way, if you haven't created the group as yet, I'll be leaving a link to a video to show you how you can create the group. At the top you will see two people on my screen right here. You're going to tap on that right where you see the names of the persons that are currently in your group. And from here you want to tap on change name and photo. Then you can simply add a photo if you like, as you can see here, or you can tap on the pencil icon, which is right beside the smiley face. And from here you could type something if you want. But to enter the group name, you're going to simply tap on enter a group name, as you can see right here. And you can write anything you would like. Then you're going to tap on done. Then tap on done again. And that's it. As you can see right there, the group now has a name. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.